just something to work. Can't believe it.
Oh, absolutely fantastic game. I mean, they started off a little cagey, but they really got into the game. And Raul's finish for the final goal was just phenomenal.
I mean, I was just saying that. I mean, he didn't have the best of games, but the way he took that goal right in front of you fans, that's a special moment,
it's
isn't
the
it?
composure he showed to get round the player and just to finish it. Just, fantastic.
Something to put into words. That's unbelievable.
Oh, just brilliant. Can't believe we've got ourselves in this position. We're challenging for 4th place. Last 16 of the Europa. Brilliant.
There's great moments and there's special moments. That Raul Jimenez goal in front of you guys.
Brilliant. Just love goals like that on the break. Jota, super. Jimenez, world-class finish. I thought he was poor today, but you know what? That is world-class. That's what we got him for. Cut inside, great finish.
That's unbelievable.
Have some of that. You already knew 2-1, even 2-1 down at half-time. 1-0 down, 2-1 down. You knew we were still in the game. Bloody brilliant, eh?
Yeah, I mean, talk to Raul Jimenez. Didn't have the best of games, but that is a special moment, that goal.
I was saying to my mate, Raul hasn't been in the game yet. It's a little flick's not coming off, and then Diogo. Brilliant, that, isn't it? Sign of intent.
Jota, Doc back to his best as well.
Absolutely, yeah. It's just fantastic. I mean, obviously they haven't been conceding the last 4 games. They've conceded a few the last couple of games. But when they can finish like that and finish teams off away from home, it's just brilliant.
Going to Barcelona on a Thursday, the Queen's there on a Sunday and beating Spurs, fantastic.
No, absolutely right, and obviously roll on the next round of the Europa, 2 weeks time.
Yeah, we're in a great position. Players playing well, winning games now. I just don't know where we're going to go. It's just brilliant.
Every time we seem like we're getting into the game, getting control of it, they just hit us. I mean, you can't let's goal before half time, fair enough, good finish. But the way we come out second half again, we just don't stop. They don't know how to stop, do they?
So joined 5th now, 2 points away from 4th. Can they get Champions League football?
They can get to 4th place, no problem at all. I mean, we're just fantastic away from home, and if we can just keep the points going at home as well, then why not? Why can't we finish in the top 4?
Barcelona on Thursday, you get through in there, you go to Spurs on the Sunday, you're beating them, you're 2 points away from 4th. Can they get Champions League football?
Why not? We've got 2 fronts we're challenging on. We've got a great chance. Let's just enjoy it.
Can you quite believe it?
Well, from where we were, no, I can't.
Can they get Champions League football?
Fucking why not, mate?